If Inkscape 1.4 is crashing with an unspecified fatal error and aborting on launch, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the safest step-by-step fixes to get it working again. This issue is usually caused by a corrupted recent files list, a bad preferences file, or a problematic SVG file path. The good news is that you can often fix it in just a few minutes without reinstalling the entire app. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more fast software fixes like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is completely close Inkscape. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. In the Processes tab, look for every instance of Inkscape.exe. If you see more than one, end all of them. This is important because Inkscape may keep configuration files locked in the background, and if those files are locked, you won't be able to repair them properly. Once all Inkscape processes are closed, the next step is to fix the recent files data. Open File Explorer and go to c:\users\your username /appdata/local. If you don't see AppData, go to the View tab in File Explorer and turn on Hidden Items. Inside the local folder, find the file named recently-used.xbel and delete it. This file can become corrupted and trigger startup problems in Inkscape, so removing it forces the program to rebuild a fresh version the next time it opens. Now go to c:\users\your username /appdata/roaming /Inkscape. In this folder, find preferences.xml. This file stores your Inkscape settings, and if it becomes damaged, it can cause fatal errors when the app starts. Instead of deleting it right away, rename it to preferences.xml.old. Renaming it is a safe way to back it up while forcing Inkscape to create a clean new preferences file when it launches again. After that, reopen Inkscape and see if the program starts normally. If the crash only happens with one specific file, then the issue may be with that SVG itself rather than the application. In that case, do not double-click the SVG to open it directly. Instead, start Inkscape with a blank document first, then go to File and choose Import to bring in the problematic SVG. This can sometimes bypass file loading issues that cause the fatal error. Also check the file name and full path carefully. Special characters like %signs, ampersands, hash symbols, and other unusual characters can sometimes break file handling in certain setups. Rename the file using simple letters, numbers, and underscores only, and keep the path short and clean if possible. Once Inkscape opens successfully, there's one more important cleanup step to help prevent this problem from coming back. Go to Edit, then Preferences, then Interface. Look for the Recent Files section and click Clear List. This helps prevent future corruption of the recently-used.xbel file, which is a common source of startup issues. At this point, close Inkscape one more time and open it again to confirm everything is working properly. If the app launches without the unspecified fatal error, then the fix worked. So to recap, you ended the background processes, deleted the corrupted recent files list, reset your preferences file, imported the SVG the safer way, checked for special characters in the path, and cleared the recent files history inside Inkscape. That combination solves most Inkscape 1.4 fatal error problems safely and quickly. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with any other Inkscape issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.